This is a wrap inspired by Sabi from Israel. These are hard-boiled eggs. When the water starts to boil, add the eggs and boil them for 10 minutes. Timing after water starts boiling is easier than timing with different water temperatures. Cool them down in cold water. This will not just quickly stop the eggs cooking, but also will make them easier to peel. It's totally up to you how thick you want your eggplant to be. I like mine thick. And I don't skip salting and taking moisture out of eggplants. I prefer the texture that develops through this process. Take the cores and seeds of the tomatoes. Don't discard the goodness. I just put them in a salad. The stalker is glaring at me again. I flip the slices over and leave them another 20 minutes. Bear in mind the thickness of tahini is different depending on the manufacturer. Stir well first before using. Add some lemon juice, honey, minced garlic. Thin it out with warm water and add the water gradually. Taste and adjust the lemon juice and honey. Finally, add some parsley. If you take the flour weight as 100%, use 60 to 70% of water of the flour weight and a little bit of salt. I sometimes add some olive oil and replace water with milk. Once you get to know the right consistency, you will find yourself not even weighing anything. Rest the dough for 20 minutes in an oiled bowl. This wrap is amazingly versatile. The taste will change along with the ratio of each ingredient. The tahini sauce is so creamy that it's so comforting. My favorite was lemon zest sprinkled all over. Thank you for watching.